Alright, so pandas.Dataframe.index. What does pandas the index row labels of the data frame? Alright, so let's import pandas as PD and import numpy fmp. And then actually if we go to the essential basic functionality, we see some examples here. We see that if we have a series that pandas.Dataframe.index gives back the index. So let's create a series. S is PD series mp random normal, generate 5 random normals with the index as going A, B, C, D, and E. So if we now type s.index, we get back the index actually as an index. So it returns it as an index. If we have a data frame, so we first create a data frame, index is PD date range starting from say 1/1/2000, periods is 8, and df is PD data frame np random normal 8 3, index is index and columns is ABC, A, B, and C. Then if we type df index, we get back the index as actually a datetime index. Why do we get back a datetime index? Because we told index to be index, where index is a datetime object. So if we want to get like this is a list, we can type toList behind it. So for example, we can type s index toList, which gets a list of the indices, and here df index toList also works. But you get it in timestamps, so you'll have to convert those to string. Let me see if I can do that actually for you now. So datetime index to string of time, alright, str of time, for example this. Okay, so let's see, df index str of time. Let's see if this works. Okay. Yeah. So now you get them as Unicode. So you can convert the datetime index to a string with string of time.